Is it a car? Is it a half a car? Is he like right here and you just don't see him out of the corner of your eye? Or is he like 5 cars back?
We hit 10,000 subscribers on this video in the next like month. And
so a month from now,
10,000.
If we hit 10,000 subs, everybody sub up. He will buy the performance package.
And we'll race again.
So what's the wager?
I don't know.
So where are we?
Who's gonna win?
I mean, what are we doing today?
We're in far south Mexico right now.
Yeah, we're in Mexico on a deserted road.
Yes.
Not anywhere in Arizona.
Closed
close to home.
No.
Closed off.
Closed race course.
We have a couple guys that are gonna get in this car and that car. I don't know who, but they're coming. They'll be here in a little bit. But we're gonna run the Pro EFI turboed 4-seat, this long limo, against the Tesla. Now, very few people have seen these videos because they were horrible videos. But we raced this Tesla against some really fast cars. So we kind of know where that Tesla sits. We know it can run with like a Porsche 911 and a Lambo. It's kind of in that pace. The Ferrari F8 did beat it. I think the Lambo beat it, right?
Lambo,
but it was it was minimal.
All of them beat them at one point. It's just a matter, but consistently,
the Porsche,
Tesla was keeping up with the Porsche.
Yeah, I think the Porsche and the Tesla were quite even. And the Lambo like barely. And then the F8 Ferrari had it pretty well.
Off the line, it would beat it, and then quickly the F8 caught up.
So we're gonna see what this has, because really, if you think about it, like when you guys told me let's do the race, I had zero confidence because just traction. I don't know if any of you have gotten in a Tesla, but I mean, they launch out of the hole. It's insane. Like, they throw your head back against the seat. It's pretty impressive. My biggest concern is just going to be traction, hopping and smacking and destroying my diff. That's really my biggest concern. I have hit it on the pavement once from a stop, and I was kind of hopping. So I'm a little bit concerned on, I think out of the gate from a dead stop, I think he gets me, but I think I get him if we're doing like a 10, 15 mile an hour roller.
I have no concerons. My car is going to...
You think you're going to win?
I think I'm going to win no matter what. I think I'm going to win from a dead stop going. I think I'm going to win from 10 to 15 miles an hour up to however long we want to stop. Or sorry, the racers are stopping that. But I have
the professional race drivers that we've hired to be here.
I have no concerns
we're not doing it.
that my car is going to win.
You've got it.
I got it. Like, I have no doubt.
I'm not going to lie, I have a little doubt. I'm not gonna lie.
In the Tesla?
No, in my...
Oh, in your car. Okay.
I have a little doubt here.
Okay.
It's not that it's a slow... For a PROR, it's fast, but
no.
Like I say, I think traction's going to be my weak link. That's really what I think it's going to be.
So we can look it up, but it's in the 4-second range, 0 to 60. I think it's like 4.2. People are going to correct us on that, but it's 4.2. It's the long range, non-performance added into it. We're running it in standard mode. There's no performance package on my Tesla, so it's just in the standard mode. I believe it's 4.2, 0 to 60. So that's what we're going to run.
Another reason why I don't have a lot of confidence. My ethanol content's a little low, so I can't run it at full boost. We're running at like stage 3, which is not full boost. So there's another reason why I'm a little bit doubtful. Because I know this car will be even faster than it is right now. So we'll wait for the Stig and Stig 2 to get here, and then we'll go do the race. My front end was just like kick.
Yeah, it was off the ground.
Yeah, it was just chirping the front end. That diff was like, I'm ready to go, See if he wants to do a roller at 15.
So what'd you think?
I'm quite surprised.
He was moving.
He was moving.
Close. He was hopping. His front end was coming off the ground and his tires were chirping.
It wasn't even close.
Not even close.
Not even close.
So you want to do a roller at 10 or 15?
I think it's kind of pointless, but we can try.
Try 15?
We try 10.
10? Okay.
surprised by those results. I honestly thought I would have you on the dead stop pole.
I feel like I pulled you better on the dead stop.
You did pull me
right?
better.
I mean, Stick did. Anyways.
Yeah.
The
Stick
professional
pulled
race
you
driver,
really-
yeah.
That professional pulled you really good. Well, your guy, he pulled your guy really well on the start. But I don't know why, because I would have thought I would spun a lot worse on a dead stop. But at 10, this thing, I don't know if you guys could see it, but it just spun. So I noticed, like, he was just a little bit quicker on the tree. The Tesla was a little bit quicker on the tree. I noticed took, and then I took, well, the Stick took, and then in Mexico, and then yeah, I spun. Like, my whole car kind of drifted like that. So I think that's why you pulled me on the hole. And then after that, was it pretty much the same as the other pull?
I think on the dead stop, I felt like you just kept pulling. On the rollings, I think I felt like I was
A lot more even.
a lot more even. Like, I kind of
Okay.
I kind of held, I don't know, a tire behind you, and
So you were just right on my back corner the whole time?
Yeah, he was car length.
Yeah.
Compared to
the
10.
the first time,
first time,
it
like
was
10?
just it was a car length.
So we're doing a full dead stop then.
Yeah.
Doing all.
From now on.
I don't know if I want to smoke that dip.
So I will say,
I don't think it's going to.
up to
It was
80.
hopping.
I mean, at the end when you let off the throttle or you were hitting 80, she was spurting. I mean, she was.
Mine?
Yeah, you were sputting.
She was
That's 'cause
sputting
I'm
some
not.
serious
That's
stuff.
because I'm not running.
You're not pushing
I don't have
20
my
pounds.
ethanol at the right pound.
Okay, well,
I've got. I should be running an 80. I should be running an E80, and I'm running at 72.
So how many pounds of boost you got right now? 12?
Not very much.
10?
Like 4.
I mean, if the sun was down, I'm pretty sure it would be just straight flames coming out because it was. She was popping pretty good.
Yeah, she wants a little. She wants a little bit more ethanol.
Yep.
She's starving for it.
But I'm completely surprised by the results wholeheartedly. I did not think that's what would happen.
I honestly didn't think I was gonna be good.
It's very interesting.
I thought a lot of it was just going to be a traction. That was a lot of it. I mean, so we're looking at these PRORs nowadays, and you know, these higher, you know, PRORs like a Pro AFI with a big turbo and a whatever. You know, there's a ton of competition out there. They're all running over 5 now. Like, if you have a legit turbo kit, it's not a 450. That, you know, it used to be, I feel like everyone was like, oh, we're in that mid 4s, you know. No one's running mid 4s anymore on the big turbo kits, you know. They're all in the 5s, and if you think about that, that's kind of where, like, the entry level supercars start, right? Is in the 5 to 6, and that's what we're running with. But it's an off-road car, so I didn't think it would compete with street cars, you know. But knowing that that competes with street cars, and then we just did this,
It's a 4 second.
we need to find it. We need to find another. We need to find another faster car.
Fast car.
We need to find a faster.
We got to find someone until we lose. So
That's right.
if you have something, let's do it. This versus that kind of a thing. I don't know, because I want to lose eventually. Well, I don't ever want to lose, but I want to find out what it takes to lose.
You want to find where the ceiling is.
Yeah, I just like to see the ceiling. Like, I don't know, Brent, you've said it many times. You're like, dude, you don't even care if you win races. Like, you just want to see the results. Like, I don't own Pro EFI. I just want to see what this car can do. You know what I mean? I want to see what another car can do next to it. I just like to see the difference, you know? And that's kind of what we've done with a lot of our videos. It's, let's see the difference. I mean, I'm not there trying to make sure that I win. I'm not trying to hole shot you. A lot of guys are trying to, you know, pull you on the start and kind of cheat or whatever. I want to see what the car do. I don't care about what I can do.
Because you didn't do this.
I did not do this. The Stick did it.
The Stick.
Yeah.
But hey,
The Stick's Mexican cousin.
that was epic.
It was epic.
I mean,
that was pretty awesome.
I was dying. I was like, no way I just did this. I mean, I couldn't see you. I don't know.
You know,
if the
mirrors?
Stick, I don't know if the Stick could see you, but there was no mirror, so I was like,
I think
is it a car? Is it a half a car? Is he like right here and you just don't see him out of the corner of your eye, or is he like 5 cars back?
I think you'll see it in the, like, as you rewatch it, when we rewatch the film, like, Brent was sitting up here quite a ways, and like by the time we got to Brent, it was a clear what was gonna win.
It was over.
It was
over within like 30 feet.
Yeah.
Like, we knew who the winner was,
Yeah.
unless I blew a belt.
And by the time I turned around, you were up there and I could see there was a gap.
I mean,
Well, we'll see what the
The second one, not so much. From the rolling started, not as much of a gap.
I'm shocked on that, but I think a lot of it, I think it's just I spun. I just got to make sure I don't spin. I don't know what made it spin, but not spin in the whole shot out of the dead stop. I thought it'd spin a lot worse on a dead stop.
Who knows? Maybe you were just, I don't know.
Maybe I was just a little bit more excited on the throttle.
Yeah, it was an interesting result nonetheless. I expected, I thought that I might lose one. I did not think I would lose both. I honestly thought that I would have you. Yeah, this is quicker. Which is
Way to go, Sean. Mad props there. Mad props.
This is a dangerous item to have out in the desert for sure. But
Elon just got beat. That's what we're saying,
We
right?
just beat Elon.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
put out a faster car, Elon.
Elon, is that all you got? Just joking.
We know.
I mean, he's got a lot more. This is like the slowest one, right?
Yeah.
Second slowest.
It's a
one.
family sedan. It's a 4-seat family sedan.
This is a 4-seat.
That's
family
right.
sedan. I took out the kids yesterday.
The limo.
right.
Yes.
I got a little cuss words at me for driving
Yeah.
this. So, I don't know why I got the 4-seat, because the family is already out. They're like, nope, we don't want to ride in it. Okay. Anybody want to buy this? I'm going to buy a 2-seat now. They don't want to ride in it.
Let's go right back to the 2-seat.
That's funny.
I already got cussed at. It's over.
Oh man.
Are you going to wipe tears away?
No, I might buy the
Tonight?
performance package though. We gotta get some serious,
Yeah!
we gotta
Yes!
get some serious views on some serious subscribers. We hit 10,000 subscribers on this video in the next like month. And
So a month from now,
10,000.
if we hit 10,000 subs, everybody sub up. He will buy the performance
and
package.
we'll race again. It drops down the 0 to 60 time considerably.
How much? Like
Well,
a car?
5 car lengths?
Like, probably
Just
needs about
saying.
4 cars.
We're
I'd
just
say,
gonna
right?
have to cut this out for a second. Hold
We're
on.
not gonna.
Shut up. 4.4 is, as it stands right now, 0 to 60.
So what's the performance package?
3.5. So
That'll
that's,
be a race then.
yeah.
That's a big difference.
It is
It's
a big
second.
difference. Almost a second.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not doing that without E85 in the car. Like straight E85.
We'll have to go to Utah.
We're at 72 right now.
Very good.
So 10,000 subscribers in the next month on this video.
Everybody hurry and subscribe so that we can
You're only 1,500 away.
get him to, yeah. We're not far away at all. So it won't take much. The few of you that haven't subscribed, subscribe so that we can get him to spend money, because he's like,
That would be worth it.
who's a guy that just doesn't spend money? Who's
That
like a
guy,
conservative
right
person?
there.
Well, there's Bo, yeah.
A banker.
I'm trying to think of a person. Like, you know, it's, I mean, if you watch Supercross, Weege, you know, the announcer, this is the Weege equivalent.
I don't like spending money. It's just the truth.
So, subscribe.
Yep.
Thanks.